Alright, what's going on, people? Today we're going to take a look at the crypto market and talk about the recent dump we had on Monday and look at our portfolio to see what's been going on and what state the world is in right now when we talk about the crypto market. So let's just get right into it. Currently we are sitting at a 45 score for the fear and greed, and Bitcoin dominance is sitting at 60%. Whenever this Bitcoin dominance goes down, all these altcoins will start flying, especially Ethereum. The entire crypto market has been incredibly volatile the past 2 days, hence the 45 on the fear, or more neutral side, but leaning towards more fear than greed in the markets. There has been lots of talks with Trump creating tariff wars and trade wars, from what he's came out and said about his tariffs, but I really don't think it's a big deal. I think the crypto market and these investors, these retail investors, got scared and sold off whenever they saw a huge dump. If you look at any of these crypto charts, look what happened yesterday and the day before. It's just a insane dump. But the good thing about that is that when we look at my assets, we can see that I've been buying. And check this out, up 16%, $758. That's why you buy the dip, okay? Yes, it goes down, but when it does go down and dip like crazy, it's an excellent buying opportunity. All right, but let's look at my portfolio and let's see what I've been buying. I did add more Kava and Horizon today. Let's take a look at Horizon because I am mega bullish on Horizon. I love what it is. I love what it does. I am down overall, but check out what I did today. Okay, when we look at last week, here we see trading around $20, and then the big mega dump, and it was down 33%, 40%. I bought in today right at, I believe it was 1260 something. If I could have timed it perfect, I would, it'd been 1190, but bought in right at like 1260. Now I own 53, or pretty much 54 tokens of Zen, so I'm super excited about that. If you are like, what is Zen? How has Zen performed? Take a look at last cycle. Take a look at what's happening. Yeah, I would be happy with anything even coming close to something like this, right? I do like Horizon. I love the market cap where it's at, so I'm looking for good things out of Horizon. Let's keep going. I did purchase Horizon. I also did purchase some Kava. I know a lot of people are bullish on Kava right now. A lot of people in the Discords I'm in are buying up Kava. I did not know about it until a couple weeks ago. I had my eye on it, but I finally bought in whenever. I actually decided to buy in on this whenever this coin showed the most strength after that huge dip. So this is when the dip happened. Okay, and it didn't really get beat up. Okay, it was down a cent, or a couple cent, like not bad. Okay, and it's bounced and already found higher levels. So Kava, super interesting coin. It's got a really healthy market cap, 570. We will 100% see $1 billion market cap. If you look at last cycle, dude, this thing was trading at similar prices. Pumped all the way up to $4, $5, then retraced, and then pumped all the way back up to $6, and even had another surge up to $8. The all-time high of this, let's see, does it say right here? All-time high is $8.49. Definitely gonna be holding Kava for this crypto altcoin season. SPA or Spare Act, I don't know how to say it, but SPA was like the hot coin over the past couple days. It's also one of those coins who didn't really react that much to the 40% drop in the markets. So I picked up some SPA. I did buy it kind of on a high, but this is a momentum play for me. There you see it right there. 11,000 SPA in my pocket. All right. Moonwell I'm letting sit, and the Sandbox and LCX I haven't really touched. All right, those are my altcoins I'm really excited for. Mana itself, I was blown away with how far, like, take a look at this mana dip. This made me sick to my stomach, and I don't know how in the world I didn't buy any more. Like, I probably should now, but hitting 29 cents from sitting at like 45 this whole time, I don't know. It just kind of, that was a tough one, but we hold and we buy more, or we try to. Okay. Let's see. All right, let's look at BCHG. Today, it was actually really exciting. I was like extremely proud of BCHG. I don't know if Grayscale did something different or what happened, but BCHG did not absolutely fall off a cliff. I was fully expecting this to be $2 today, or $2, 198, like 190. This, excuse me. I'm so happy that this did somehow maintain itself. Right? It's kind of weird to say, but it was sitting at 390 and it closed the day. It opened at $3.90 and it closed at $3.52. That's not good any means, but I was expecting so much worse. And now that we're talking about it, let's look at BCH. This coin has rebounded pretty hard, right? Seeing a low of 289, already climbed back in a day. Not even a day, right? Yeah, 2 days. Yeah, 2 days. Climbed back in 2 days from that huge dip all the way back to 353. That was scary for BCH. I'm still going to hold BCHG though, because I do think BCH overall, like, oh, look at that. Even though it looks nasty, I do think it sees a great return this cycle. So I am going to hold it. Let's see what else to talk about. LTCN, another kind of sideways day, down 41. I mean, a down day, but down 41%, 41 cents. I'm sorry, not 41%. That would be really bad. Down 3% today. I don't know. I haven't bought any more. My last purchase was like, I had one buy for like 2 shares or something like that. That's on January 29th. Maybe if I can, I might throw some more into LTCN, but I'm not sure. I'm not really sure what my next play is. I'm really leaning towards building up my Coinbase account just because I'm really intrigued with Swift and Onyx and Horizon. These are the ones I'm going to be buying. May do some rotation out of here. I did sell like $400 of profit of Swift coin and moved it into SPA. So hopefully that'll pay off in the long run or here in the short term future. Bitcoin itself, Bitcoin itself is an absolute beast. Like, take a look at this chart. I know this is just got Google data or Yahoo data or whatever, but dude, I don't hold Bitcoin because I know I can make more money elsewhere, but I need to start a position in the bull cycle, in the bear cycle, into Bitcoin. This asset went from $100 down to $92,000 in a huge crash, and then all the things went in its way, and it's still finding like great support at the $100,000 level. I think that shows a lot about this asset. I also think that the FUD and the crazy retail investors who don't understand how crypto works or how crypto is, I don't think people can handle it. I don't think a lot of people can handle it. I know I was like sick to my stomach whenever I saw these crazy crashes. Let me just show you. Where is it at? Yeah, I mean, here it is. Went from 5,000 all the way down to 3,400. Like that's a lot of money to just be down one day. I think my account was down like 19% in the big drop, and then went back up. But I know some assets were down like 40% just in themselves. So I don't know. I hope people, if anybody listens to me and listens to anything I say, I think you should buy something and I think you should hold it. I'm not saying hold it forever, but I'm saying don't get super scared if you were to see a 16% drop on one of your coins. If you buy a coin, for example, Alchemy Pay, the ACH, one of my momentum plays, right now I'm down on it. Right, I bought it at the absolute high. I'm not in any hurry to get rid of this. Okay, if this was to dump back down to 3.2 cents or 0.33 cents or whatever, I'm going to buy more of it. I'm not gonna just sit on my hands and then sell it whenever I see it go down. This is just a number on paper. This means nothing. Okay, it only means something until I hit the sell button. All right, but yeah, that was my portfolio. That's kind of my buys and sells. Maybe I'll do a live episode here in the next couple of weeks, or the next week, the trading week, where I buy crypto live or I buy stocks live or something like that, and show you exactly when I get in and what's going on. Let's see this number go up. Let's all get rich, and I will see you guys later. See ya.